Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Apple released iOS 26.5.2 and the update is around 1.47 gigs, as you can see. And updates has depend on which iPhone you are using, which iOS version you are using. And along with this update, we also got iOS 26.6 beta 3, as you can see. Video about this will also come later, but this video is all about 26.5.2. And finally, wait is over, and I predicted this in today's morning video that we might get this update this week, and finally it is out. And if I talk about how you can install this update, get into settings, get into software update, and over here you will see the update. Make sure you don't have any beta updates turned on from here. Make sure it is off. Now this update is only available for the people who are on 26.5 or 26.5.1, like iPhone 17 series or any previous version. If you are on iOS 27, this update is not for you. If you are even on iOS 26.6, you will not get this update. For the 26.6 beta users, you will get this update. You will get 26.6 beta 3. Now, a simple question: should you install this update or not? Yes, definitely go and install this update. And let's talk about what is new with this update. Now, it's a double dot update, and double dot updates are never about new features. They are always about enhancements, bug fixes, and everything like that. Now, it says this update provides security fixes for your iPhone. So it's a security patch update. Even it didn't mention any sort of bug fixes. So I'm surprised to see that. If I tap on this link, let's see where it will take us. If I go over here, this update is all about security patch. Nothing crazy going on over here, so nothing much to share about this update. But the important thing is you should install this update. Now definitely I will be doing a 24-hour review video. Once I will test it out, I'm definitely going to install this update right now. But personally, what I'm expecting from this update is definitely I'm expecting a better battery life and a better performance. Now whenever there's a new update, it always refreshes the whole system. It always refreshes the background processes. So maybe anything that was not going good with the 26.5, we saw so many issues with the 26.5. Maybe this update fixes those issues in the background. This is why it is really important to test this update out. So how I can test this update? Definitely I'm going to install this update, and I'm going to share that how this update is going on. So I will be bringing a 24-hour review video by tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe the channel for that video. On the other hand, 26.6 beta 3 is out. I'm going to also install this update. Now if you ask me that what we are expecting with the 26.6 beta 3, I am personally not expecting anything with this update. I did talk about that in my yesterday video, that with the beta 1, with the beta 2, it was just a normal update, nothing much crazy going on. So with the beta 3, again, I'm not expecting anything, but I'm expecting a better battery life, better performance, and overall enhancements. Mainly with the iOS 26 moving forward with the 26.6 or 26.7, I'm not expecting any big features. It is all going to be about security patch, bug fixes, improvements, and all those stuff, because now the whole focus is on the iOS 27. New features are coming from the iOS 27, so every other iOS 26 update will focus on bug fixes and enhancement, and that is what 26.5.2 is all about. So if you ask me, should you install this update? Yes, definitely go and install this update. There is no doubt about that. And if you are on 26.6 betas, go and install this update. And if you are iOS 27 beta, we will be getting that update next week. So wait until the next week. This is all from this very short and simple video, and hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.